Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to turn off autoplay on YouTube permanently. So as you can see, I am on the YouTube homepage right here and I want to show you guys what I mean with permanently. So I've seen videos where they say to cancel an autoplay or turn off the toggle on the autoplay button, but what happens every time you reload the page, then that settings or those settings are gonna reset and the autoplay is gonna be always on. So I want to show you guys, for instance, I don't know, any of this video. Let me open up this one.
My name is Sebastian Jordan.
Let's go towards the end here and I want to show you guys that nothing is going to happen.
If it did, subscribe.
So it's almost done, and as you can see we have only the suggested video. There is no button here with the autoplay saying next video playing in seconds. So in order to do this we just need Chrome, because we're going to be using a Chrome extension. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and look for this Chrome extension called autoplay settings for YouTube, and then we are gonna add it to Chrome. So I already done it, that's why it says remove from Chrome. Once you do it, I will suggest to click on this puzzle icon, look for it and pin it, so it's gonna appear in the toolbar right here, and this is the icon. So if we click on it and we click on options, we see that we have two options, which is autoplay next video in playlist. They are both off, and if we close and then we go here, we see that the autoplay is off, and it was off even before me loading this video. So that's everything that you need to know in order to turn off autoplay actually. So let me know guys if you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.